Hello, welcome to day 5 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Today you'll practice forgiveness, deep, cleansing, transformational forgiveness. Following the pace of the modern world, rarely do we stop and allow forgiveness to cleanse our hearts. Take a deep breath in here and a deep cleansing breath out. Now allow yourself to go deeper and to connect with the second or third layer of your thoughts. Allow your mind and your body to tell you what guilt might you be holding right now. What blame or shame might be stored in your body. Don't look for it intentionally, just allow it to surface. Emotions might surface here. Allow them to be. Whatever is in your heart right now, allow it to be. And as you experience this moment, just go down with your mind's eye to your heart and visualize there a shiny, bright light. First, it's just a small, tiny dot. But very soon you see it expand in all directions. Its warm and beautiful and bright light spreads quickly through your heart, through your chest, through your neck, through your face, all the way up to your mind. You feel this light is lifting any sense of shame, discomfort, guilt, and it dissolves it into the thin air. A deep and profound sense of forgiveness settles in. You allow yourself not to resist this beautiful light. You invite it to spread forgiveness through your body. Get curious about this feeling. How does forgiveness feel in your hands, in your back, in your feet, in your face? What color does forgiveness have? How does forgiveness feel, smell? What's the sound of forgiveness? As you go deeper into the meditation, allow all your senses to embrace deep forgiveness. Hold this thought in your mind. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself.